Welcome to Inside Out Guitar, I'm Colin Sapp. This is part one of a video series that is ear training for fuzz tones, aka fuzz training. The goal of these videos is to educate our ears about the differences and similarities between various fuzz sounds. My aim here is not to trick your ears, but rather to sensitize your hearing to sonic nuances. And unlike other pedal comparison videos, this is not done in a shootout format, but in a music school ear training class style. Here's how it will work. I'll play through 6 commercially available fuzz pedals that you'll be able to see on the screen. On your end, write down descriptive terms for each pedal to help yourself sonically categorize them. As you listen, determine, for example, how mild or aggressive the gain is, how thick or thin the tone is, how sputtery or smooth the fuzz quality is, etc. The idea here is to try to detect and describe uniquely identifiable characteristics for each. After you've heard all 6 fuzzes, I'll then play the same exact audio clips back for you in a different order without any visual clues. Your objective is to try to correctly identify which fuzz pedal you are hearing. Feel free to scroll back in the video to study and compare sounds, as the process of ear training requires multiple listens. After you've formulated your answers, I'll reveal the correct order so you can see how you did. Let's begin. Well, that does it for part 1 of fuzz training. I hope your ears are more attuned to the sonic differences between each pedal. Be sure to check out part 2 where I grabbed 6 different fuzzes for you to compare. Until then, happy practicing.